Okay, so I've been seeing people making these insane AI cinematic videos all over YouTube.
Destroyed.
I'd say you were going crazy.
Maybe I am crazy.
But most of them use expensive tools. So I wanted to try something different. Can you actually make cinematic YouTube videos using only free AI tools? Using just a phone? So today, I'm testing myself. No paid tools, no crazy setup, no editing thing. Just free AI tools and my phone. And honestly, I have no idea if this is going to look good or completely fail. So let's try it. So first, I ended the story. I opened ChatGPT and asked it to write a short cinematic scene about a lonely guy walking through a futuristic city at night. And surprisingly, the script actually sounded like something from a movie. So these are the prompts ChatGPT gave me. So I'm going to copy these prompts and take it to the next step. And the next step is generating these images for these cinematic videos. So I'm using Leonardo AI to generate these images. And bro, this part shocked me. The images actually looked insane. Like they look like real images from a cinematic shot. Like, just look at this. Look at this also. Just seeing these images just makes me want to make movies. I genuinely didn't expect an AI tool, free for that matter, to be able to generate something this unique. So the prompt that ChatGPT gave you, you're going to generate this over and over until you finish the scene for your movie. And you're going to convert all of them into images using Leonardo AI until you're done with all your scenes. So let's make these pictures, these generated images, move. So for this process, I'm going to be using MiniMax AI software, and it's a completely free AI tool. But after it gets to a certain amount of image generation, it may tell you to subscribe to Pro, but it will take you a long way for probably 10-20 scenes, which is enough for a movie if you want. So now I'm going to import these images I generated from Leonardo AI into MiniMax Studio and get this prompt, which I also generated from ChatGPT, of how I want the dialogue scene to be. So after inputting it, this is what I got. What? Wow! Just imagine how this looks. This looks so good. Like, boy, bro, this is insane. So to make this more movie-like, we're going to head on to CapCut and merge all our clips together into one movie. So this I had to add cinematic music, sound effects, captions where needed, some slow zoom effects, and honestly it started to feel like an actual movie trailer. Okay, so let's see what we did. So here is the final cinematic video we made using only free AI tools. You like that, right? And the craziest part is that this was done using only free tools and with my phone. AI is actually changing content creation in real time, and honestly, we are just getting started. So from the beginning of this video till now, I've not asked you to subscribe to this channel. So please, if you learned anything from this video and you want to see more of this creative experiment, please subscribe to Creator Plug and turn on your notification bell to receive more updates. Keep creating. Don't stop creating. So let's watch this movie again. See ya.